Hello, how are you guys doing today? Let's get busy. Let's get started. This is why you need to come to classes like this to learn some great tips. This is probably the most important part. I'm going to show you how to cut this. My wife taught me this trick years ago. So what you do instead, let me show you. You can do that, those two things, but you have to be really, really careful. And the other great tip, see all that juice on the board? By trapping the steam, it's actually going to raise the temperature of the water. A good tip for you, but here's where we're going to cut it a little differently. So I'll show you two ways, but I want to show you a little tip, and less fumes are going to rise up to your eyes when you're cutting it. And I'll show you a nice little trick here. The caliber of the recipes that we're doing are amazing. It's all laid out for you. I give you quantities, I give you measurements, and that's what I do for my recipes. I make sure that in any way possible that I can think of, that there's no guesswork on your part. The recipes we're doing today, however, are not in the book. These are brand new recipes that I've written, and I test and retest. If I have to write that recipe 4 times, I'll do it before I release it. You all still with me? We are cooking live together. So whatever happens in my kitchen, you are seeing live as you are cooking live. If you're cooking with me and you're falling behind, just unmute yourself. Tell me to wait a minute and I'll gladly wait. However, I just noticed a big mistake. Anybody tell me what the big mistake was? Now, Tammy, maybe you want to show me your egg whites right now. How's everybody doing? For the people that are cooking along, are you still with me? Sorry for the noise, my stand mixer. We're cooking live, baby. Let's go to a little question and answer period right now. These are so flat you can play cards with them. Look. Now these shaggy bits that we cut off, they're totally fine. It's fun to say, shaggy bits. Try that. Imagine what your breath is going to smell like afterwards. Not going to be very good, is it? Do-do-do-do, shaggy bits. Don't lick this yet. I know you want to. Don't lick it yet. You still need this. Chicken backs. Do-do-do-do, chicken backs. Try it, it's fun. That I'm not wearing any pants. Gotta have fun in the kitchen, right? Not that I've ever done that. You guys all think I'm nuts now, right? Don't panic, don't panic. I'm wearing shorts, is what I mean. Oh boy. Anyway, let's change the subject, shall we? Should I drink it? You don't want to. Trust me. Really simple, and sometimes it just happens. Don't beat yourself up over it. It's not a big deal. Nothing to panic about. Easy for you to know, and then I'm going to show you a second way if you're not too comfortable with a knife. Taking that logic that you already know and applying it to the kitchen. But it's a really simple fix without having a whole bunch of complicated cuts like you see on TV. And that's all there is to the recipe. It's pretty simple. Almost like little trails of the egg white in there. We're getting really close. We're going to make them right here on the countertop. Watch this. Let's take you way over here to the pan. Woo! See how thick it's getting? We need stiff peaks. What does that mean? Well, I'll show you. Here we go. Let's go for another one. Fresh ingredients. You'll want to have a good look at your leek. Don't buy pre-grated cheese of any kind. Red onion. I want you to make 1/4-inch slices of your tomato, and I'll give you a couple different ways to separate them. Something very therapeutic about just using your fingers. And that's it. I'm not done yet. So you got to get this book. Have you got the best of? Don't have this already. You can order from my website. As long as you're cool with that, keep going. My glasses just fogged up. Look at that. Oh, I forgot the garlic. Where's the garlic? I gotta chop the garlic. Pulled it off the heat. It's burning. And oh my goodness, you're just panicking. Man, did you even cook this? I want to pull a Ramsay on what I wanted to do. I got one more chunk of dough. Hey, take a picture. A man is cleaning up his mess. It's a big chunk of dough. Let me show you. I cook topless. If you could put that stuff on an old shoe, it would taste good. I mean, let's be honest, right? Okay, what's on the menu tonight? Tastes like a goat. So, you've never even eaten a goat. Our big rubber spatula. Let's continue that sentence instead of saying our big rubber. Hey, we're all adults here, right? It's all good. Don't put steaks in here, okay, guys? That's what a man would do, right? Yeah, now you know. See, this is why you take my classes. Anybody can go online and watch a YouTube video on whatever, but you can't have the back and forth instruction, the conversation, asking the questions, and seeing the results and having the chef critique the results as well by watching a YouTube video. So this is a lot better. This is the beauty of doing Zoom classes. And also we get to cook along together. So every single class is a hands-on class pretty much, which is pretty cool. Hope you guys appreciate that. and see the value. I'm telling you, this is the way to do it. Elevating your cooking skills at home, I think is pretty cool because you're going to eat food the rest of your life.
Really happy with this.
Good. I'm glad you are. You don't have to make me happy. I have to make you happy. That's my job. Cheers, everybody. Shaggy bits. Do-do-do-do. You knew I was going to do that, right? Shaggy bits. Do-do-do-do. Sorry. I just had to. You're not expected to be perfect in life. Trust me. So just enjoy yourself. It's all good.